Girls, whoa. Yeah, here's the part where I adjust my mic again because for some reason it does not like to stay where it needs to be. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Curiously Corey Eats and Codes. And we're gonna try and get a second day done in the same day. I have other things that maybe I should be doing, but I wanna get 2 days done because I'm tired of being so far behind. So just as a little pre-stream, I'm gonna go ahead and tweet this out. Wait, I have an idea. Let's use, where's he hiding? Did I close it? Yes, I did. See if I can get on. If the AI gods are willing, now less likely to refuse to answer your questions. Well, I haven't had that problem before, but all right. So, write an epic tweet inviting developers to join my live coding session on Twitch. I mean, that's pretty good. Write it again, but I'm live coding Advent, but my live stream topic, I don't know. I'm so bad at this. Live stream topic is Advent of Code. What am I? Day 4 now? Day 4. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I can't do all of it. It's 11 characters over. I mean, it's like I could just get rid of live stream, I guess, but I kind of want live stream. Get rid of coding. I'm just gonna get rid of the whole part where it says, oh, sorry, I'll bring this over so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna get rid of like this part. Whether you're just starting out or experienced pro, there's something for everyone to learn and explore. Yeah, that sounds like me. Except for it doesn't. I'll probably stumble on basic stuff a lot. Don't miss it. That's better. Go developers, join me on Twitch for a live coding session where we'll be tackling the challenges of Advent of Code Day 4. I'll probably stumble on basic stuff a lot. Don't miss it. Yeah, I like that. Oh, except for the fact that where am I streaming at? Let's see if I can include this. Yes. No. Twitch. TV here be asleep. Corey. Or youtube.com/ curiously Corey. Wow. I appreciate that they shorten URLs. I would not have made it. That looks good. I'm okay with that. I might do that more. Oh wait, I need that. Because I need this. All right. Advent to code. With or without the 2022 day 4. Cool. So before I get into that, let's create our directory. Words are hard. Copy. Recursively day 3 into day 4. And code. Oop, that's not the one I wanted to code. Well, it's fine. All right. Camp cleanup. Space needs to be cleared before the last supplies can be unloaded from the ships. And so several elves have been assigned to the job of cleaning up. Oh, sorry. Yeah. And so several elves have been assigned to the job of cleaning up sections of the camp. Every section has a unique ID number. Oh, very efficient. And each elf is assigned a range of section IDs. However, as some of the elves compare their section assignments with each other, they've noticed that many of the assignments overlap. To try and quickly find overlaps and reduce duplicated effort, the elves pair up and make a big list of the section assignments for each pair. Your puzzle input. For example, consider the following list of section assignment pairs. 2 through 4, 6 through 8, 2 through 3, 4 through 5, etc., etc. For the first few pairs, this list means within the first pair of elves, the first elf was assigned sections 2 through 4, sections 2, 3, and 4, while the second elf was assigned sections 6 through 8, sections 6, 7, and 8. The elves in the second pair were each assigned 2 sections. The elves in the third pair were each assigned 3 sections, and one got sections 5, 6, and 7, while the other also got 7 plus 8 and 9. This example list uses single-digit section IDs to make it easier to draw. Your actual list may contain larger numbers. Visually, these pairs of section assignments look like this. Oh, okay. I'm starting to get it, but I don't understand the first pair of elves. It's this one, right? The first elf was assigned sections 2 through 4, yeah. And the second was 6 through 8. The second pair were each assigned 2 sections. Oh, I see, 2 sections. I was trying to figure out what they meant. And then the third pair were each assigned, yeah, so 7 overlaps there. Got it. Sorry, I'm gonna take a bite of food. And there's currently nobody live following me, so I'm gonna take a few more bites since I'm not interrupting anyone or boring anyone. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. Yeah, so at the end of the day, they want to know how many of the assignment pairs does one range fully contain the other, such as this one. So out of this list, the only one that would need reconsideration was this one. So if I got this input, or rather this input, the answer would be 1. So let's get our input. And I'm gonna mute and chew while I get this stuff set up. All right, so as usual, the first thing we're going to do is think about our data just a little bit. So each thing that we need to consider is an assignment pair, and we need the range. Like, should I expand it to look more like this? I'm not sure. But I definitely need to break this down into the assignment pairs, so let's do that. So we'll make a function, format input, and that's going to take assignment pairs, or raw assignment pairs, which is a string, very long string, and this is going to output. What does this look like? An assignment pair is 2elf, let's see here, assignment 1, assignment 2. Now, is that an array of numbers, or is it or is it just the 2 individual numbers? No. Welcome to whomever is following along. Apologize if I'm doing any chewing. I will attempt to remember to mute every time because I don't think I would want to hear that either. But I am having some food. So I just got done with a hugely busy afternoon and I'm just now getting around to dinner. Wow, words. Maybe I should have some more caffeine while I'm at it. And no, the answer is no. I want to sleep tonight. All right, so do I go back to my arch nemesis? Is this going to be a pair of tuples? Type assignment is a number. I don't think I want to do that. I had such issues with tuples in the last one. But this is a good opportunity to get better. Right? So this is going to return an array of assignment pairs. So the first thing we do, as always, is going to be to split it up. So we're going to take our, let's see here, rows, not capital assignment, rows is raw assignment pairs split on /n That's all I have to do, right? Sorry, for some reason I'm format input. Yeah, so /n. Okay. It's like, I feel like there's supposed to be something else there. No, it's all good. All right, so we got our assignment rows. Now for each of the assignment rows, we split them into the commas. So const assignment, raw, woo, assignment. It's still, let's see here. Assignment, pair. Man, this is gonna be my quote of the week, and it's the two hardest things in programming are naming variables and cache management. All right, so now we should have an array of strings, and then actually let's do that. So that is returning an array of two strings. Can I just pipe that right into, or forward that into, what, no. Yep. Yeah. So each one of those then's assignment, assignment dot split, and that's going to be on the dash. Wow. Okay. Am I missing? Yes. Right. Okay. So we take each row and we split it into the two assignments. We map over the assignments and split in the middle. Is that? I feel like that's. Sorry, I'm gonna get rid of this for a second because I know it's not returning that yet. But I do want to log this out because I feel like that. I don't feel like that's right. Part one. Oh, yeah, that didn't do something. Oh, I'm not calling it. That would help if I called it. Format, input, assignment pair. Okay. Yeah, it's an array of arrays. Yeah, I need to break this up a little bit more for it to be easy to follow. So, I'm just gonna do this part. Oh, too many. And then right. Well, what is this? I guess this is well, first of all, not first of all. Okay, that's gonna bother me if I don't. There we go. Okay. So this is split rows. Split assignments. You can totally do this in, one. So I have, wait a second, and split rows. That already might be what I'm... oh, there's top. So it's an array of arrays. Yeah. So as I map over the split rows, I'm going to have the row is then an array, which is this part. And this here. So this is this is going to return. Oh, you know what? I think this is where I'm messing up. Or this is where, like, conceptually I'm messing up. I need to actually, don't need to. I am going to put this into here. I might reduce this back down in a minute. Welcome everyone who has joined. I'm working through day 4 of Advent of Code. I assume you probably know what that is if you're here. If not, adventofcode.com. It's a coding challenge every year since, how long have they been doing it? 2018, I think. Wait, there was a calendar? No. I saw it on here before. Events? There we go. Oh yeah, so it went all the way back to 2015. This is the first year I'm participating. So we're trying to break up these assignments, these ELF assignments into and to determine where there's overlaps basically in this data. Fun, right? Who doesn't want to sit around and watch this all day? All right. So the thing I really want, right, is the assignment tuple. Well, the pair of assignment tuples. So let's try and get that right out of here. So for each of these, I need to map over. What I want to do is return assignment 1 and assignment 2. So I need const assignment 1. Oh yeah. Okay. Sorry. I might be overthinking this. And then we'll say is row 0 dot split dash, right? And actually I want to map over those, I think, and because that's going to be an array of strings, and I'll just turn them into numbers. Values, value, and I'm just going to return plus value. There we go. Oh, arrow. There we go. And then I guess what I can do, yay, spam. Block user on YouTube, block on stream. There we go. I love spam. Makes me feel special. All right. So what I can do here instead to get both of them at the same time, assignments would be just to map map this um, assignment. There we go. I think this will do it. There we go. And then assignment 1 will just be assignments 0. And assignment 2 will be assignments 1. So, and it requires a comma, assignment pair, and we'll return assignment pair. I could just return that call up there, but I'm going to keep it here for now because I want to go ahead and look at least the top 3 and make sure my data is correct. So assignment 1, or our first pair, is going to be 94, 97, 35, 95. 94, 97, 31, 95, 7, 8, 11, 95, 25, 96, 3, 96. Okay, beautiful. I could break this down further, but I feel like this is a pretty good place to be. Eat more chips. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and use this formatted input and start playing around with ideas on how we're going to check for the overlap. I can think of a pretty easy way. Let me do that real quick, and then I'll come back after I'm done chewing and explain kind of what I've done. All right. Sorry, I just kind of want to visualize this. So, number, I guess it could be either way, right? I didn't specifically say that one would be before the other. Let's take a quick look at the data, I guess. So this is before this. I mean, this starts before this, right? This starts. No, it doesn't. Okay. Yeah, so this can be done either direction because. All right. So, oh, yeah, this is still easier than I'm thinking because we're not looking for this. We're only looking for. I have a feeling in part 2 we're going to be looking for something more like this, but right now, the only thing we're looking for is wherever this occurs. So, like, one of them, doesn't matter which one, has to have a higher value 1 and a lower value 2. So we can say, yeah, if I'm going to do this the really lame way for a second, just to visualize it, and then hopefully I can optimize this a little bit. So if start is higher and wait a second. What am I what am I doing this way wrong? What is happening? Assignment pair. Yeah, I don't know why that wasn't throwing an error, to be honest. It knows that my input is an assignment pair. So assignment 2, 0. There we go. And the same thing, and the opposite on the other side, assignment pair value 2 is less than wow. Okay. Starting values higher, ending values lower. And then like I can literally just do this exact same thing again. The other way. So 2, 1, 2, 1. This technically I think is gonna work, but I don't like it. Console or I guess console log. No. Formatted assignment pairs. Can I just do assignment pairs, I guess? Or is that doesn't conflict, right? No, okay, we're good. And then we'll say overlapping pairs is assignment pairs.map. And then we'll take the pair and send it over to check overlap pair. And then we'll take the results of that and filter pair or result where result equals true. I also need to return false. There we go. And then I just need to do a count, I guess, on this. There we go. All right. Wow. Hitting all the buttons. Okay. Oh yeah, it should be all true. I need to figure out. Okay, so sorry. Before I filter things out, I need to check my work. There we go. All right. So let's just check our work real quick. You know what I need to do also? I was gonna, oh, wait, that would be where I do it. No, that's ridiculous. Yeah, okay. Sorry. So false, 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 false. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth one should be the first one that overlaps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is not true, right? Because 18 is greater than 35, but 49 is greater than 38 or 48. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay. So let me just. Here's my example. So 35 or sorry, 18. Here we go. So it would be this one, right? Assignment pair 2, 18 is, oh, that's where I'm doing it wrong, right? No, yeah, see, both of these cases are wrong. No, sorry. Yeah, that makes sense. 35 is greater than 18 and 48 is less than 49. Let's check just a couple before. I think this actually might be working. So the rest of these should be false. So 17 ends after 16. That's not correct. This actually, so I need greater than equal to, because, sorry, before I go away, this does overlap entirely, but it's not triggering because 96 is equal, not greater than. So greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, less than, equal to. Now, we should have more. Now they're all true. That's not. Wait, what? Oh, I put the filtering back in. Seriously, Corey struggles over ridiculously easy things. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so the third and the fifth. So 1, 2, 3, and the fifth. So this one should be, go away, light bulb. 7 happens before 11. So this is false. 94, yep, no, this does not. 97's after, but 94 is after, so, all right. So going back to adding the filter, we don't care about this anymore. I think I was talking about this in the last stream, but like one of the things that I just did here that was kind of problematic actually was that I was not logging out all of the not logging out, I wasn't just making available easily all the data that I was going to need to be able to debug this. And so like I have all these true falses without the indexes, without all this other stuff. And like, I don't need it to do the code, right? To solve the problem, but to debug and to figure out where I'm going wrong, very helpful, or even spot checking before I submit, right? All right, so let's make sure this is good. There we go. Hopefully, my answer is 567. And if you are following along at home, your answer is going to be different because everyone's input is different. That's right! You are 1 gold star closer to collecting enough star fruit. All right, part 2. It seems like there is still quite a bit of duplicate work planned. Instead, the elves would like to know the number of pairs that overlap at all. Well, that's still easy. I mean, I hardly have to change anything for this one, right? I mean, I think. I don't know. Maybe I'm oversimplifying it in my head. Let's, oh, I just copied that. I wanted to paste. Paste. There we go. Okay. So, to find overlap at all, now we're going back to the Excalidraw. All right. So number 2, the end point of either one needs to be greater than the beginning of the other one. Am I oversimplifying it? I feel like that's it. Like the endpoint of the one needs to be greater than the beginning of the other. No, wait, yes, because if it's inside, that's still true. The endpoint of this one is greater than the beginning of this one. Oh, I guess, but but what if? Sorry, yeah. There's the other case. So if we have like this, sure. Then the endpoint of the first one is not greater than the beginning point of the other one. Oh, maybe that's it. I feel like I'm missing something. This shouldn't be this easy. All right, I'm gonna chew and code this real quick. Okay, is more tricky than I was thinking, but why is this? Okay, so the endpoint of this one, yeah, is greater than the endpoint or the beginning point of this one. So, but the only difference is, but then it also, so the endpoint has to be greater than this one, but less than this one. Let me just put these, there we go. There we go. So this is our endpoint is greater than the other starting. And the beginning has to be less than the end. So the beginning has to be less than the end. Okay. I mean, that was, yeah. 907, maybe? Yeah. All right. Hey, day 4. What do you know? Making progress. All right. My chips are getting very cold. I'm going to eat them. I'm going to respond to some clients who are very deserving of some response. And then I might work on Dice of Gods. Dice of the Gods. Dice of Gods. Which would be fun. Or maybe Wild. Nah, it wouldn't be nearly as fun. I was gonna say do another one of these, but I don't know. I'm getting there. Meanwhile, 16 is only 2 hours away from day 16 is 1 hour and 51 minutes from opening up. So to all of you who are actually working on this, good luck. I'll be back in a little bit and I will do something. Hopefully work on Dice of Gods, but I know I've got other things that I need to get done. So we'll see what takes the highest priority. All right. Till next time. Happy hacking.